I crashed. Whoa! Oh, fuck! Already broke it. Already broke it.
Conscious.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mike, and today a company named Polarna sent me an e-bike to hopefully not destroy. Alright, what's cracking, people? Got my cousin here. We're doing our weekly cooking sesh. What are there? Should I actually show them? We got yeah, it's looking a little bare. We got some quesadillas that we're about to make up. A little bruschetta, homemade bruschetta going on. The rice, the chicken. You see what's popping. So it's a 500 watt, 48 volt e-bike, and it's foldable. It's got pedals. It's got disc brakes too, and it's got headlights. Quick shipping. I got this thing in like 6 days, I want to say. That's crazy. So we're getting the nitty gritty. What do you get in the box for 1,100 bucks? You get some pedals, get a little tool set, might be snap-on. The power stands you got going on. You gotta get that leverage. That thing's pretty compact. Little square of awesome. Handlebars, okay. Tires are not a joke, 20 inches, boy.
It's coming together.
Hey, you see a little
battery pack.
Let's see. You got a little latch here for the battery pack inside the neck where it connects. Got a little basket on the back. Let's go. 7 gears on that thing. M3. I ain't talking Beamer. If you got a Beamer, you got the wrong thing.
Yeah, they stole the idea.
Polarna is probably suing BMW right now. Oh, scap it, dude.
There's gonna be some tall handlebars.
That's what I'm saying. You still gotta put these on. Oh, it comes with a set of keys. Thing's pretty premium so far. Ooh. Big dog, man. With them A-painters. Flexing guns. You wanna be low key. You got some problems in the neighborhood. Mashing on them. That's quality. I know that handbrake. Ooh. See that? Oh, see the seat height? Oh, they're not playing. Bro, look how far this thing goes.
Oh, adjustable?
So, yeah. I think it locks it. You can lock your forks. Yeah. Are you tiptoeing on the e-bike? I think it looks gangster with some tires, especially with the white lettering on it. They knew what they were doing. You see the pedals? Okay, okay. What goes in there? Comfort grips.
Pull up rockin' all white like I'm God. Put them up like a cat if you try me.
Taillight, come on. Stop it. You got your front brake on the left and your back brake on the right. There we go.
Oh, is it like this?
Oh, first burnout in the house.
My shorty a goodie, my cousin a crazy, my cousin like boogie. Life is amazing and this really shit. But I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me.
Okay. Come to a lunch line near you. We get a ZX10. It's alright. We'll get a little e-bike. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. We off. Bike lights. We got my little e-bike. I'm taking a ride to the gym now. A real world test here. I'm gonna try to find some sketchiness to take it through. A little paranoid of the tires. I don't want to lose traction here. So the weight capacity on this thing is 300 pounds. The height limits are 5 foot minimum height to 6 feet and 5 inches tall, being the highest. Perfect little pit bike though if you're at like an event or something. The bars are a little thin though. Wouldn't mind having some big wide bars on this thing. Oh boy, getting close to this guy. Trying to figure out the gears. I switched it to where it don't even really work that well. There we go. Gotta keep that thing in 7th gear. Oh shit! More of a jump than I thought it would be. So I mean, 30 miles an hour ain't bad. It gets the job done. This thing feels like it rips when it's doing it. One thing I don't like is the front brake being this side and the handbrake being on the left side. It's opposite for street bikes usually. Shocks really help. Easy to catch some air on it. So I like having the Shimano 7-speed on here, but I'm being a bicyclist and I'm not used to using one. What do we got here? Oh shit. What the hell is all this? Alright, a little off-road test. Doing pretty good. So although this thing does hit 30, it's a little bit of a struggle to get there. You gotta focus. I think it's so cool there's like a jet plane just chilling on the side of this road. That's pretty dope, a little fighter jet. Jump this flag. Woo! The shocks on this thing really gives it some launch whenever you pop it up. Just kind of curious how much it can take. Oh no, already broke it. Already broke it. Oh my gosh. Bicycle days. Getting your chain all caught up. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, it feels crunchy. I'm already breaking this thing. Just got it. So this thing said the top speed was 25, but I think we can get it to 35. We just gotta pedal. Get that workout in. Ah, come on, 35. Let's go! Alright, 34, top speed, confirmed. Unless you're really light. Some slim, thick looking ducks. That one's just super pissed at everybody. They have, yeah, the power is nothing insane. I don't want you guys to get your hopes up here. They do have bigger models. They have the M5 and the M6. This is an M3. So I'm not 100% sure if the numbers as you go up, you get better specs. But I will say the M3 is not the premium model. There are better models out there. Yeah. The way you compress shocks on like dirt bikes to hit the jumps, this does the same concept. Oh, I got this sand here. Yeah, let's get it. Woo, shit. This thing ripping. I love hitting the jumps on it. Whoa! Oh, fuck! I just plowed a curb, full speed. Did not expect that. That was sketch. I gotta check the wheel or something. I think it's a good thing I have thick tires because that would have blew out the rim for sure. Let's hit the climb test. Oh, not bad. You don't have a license plate, so you just make up your own turns. This isn't a regular bike, so I'm gonna fold it up and hopefully no one snatches it while I'm working out. But yeah, so overall, I mean, it's a nice little addition, like a little, like I said, a little lot piece, a little pit bike of some sort. You got your little horn. You got a brake light. You got the front headlight, which you can turn on and off manually. That ride was about 6 miles, and I drained 4 out of 5 bars on the battery. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge this thing, so be prepared. All right, let's see how to fold this thing up now. All right, so this little latch is holding your whole life together. Undo that. Undo that. I'm gonna take the key out and just, I guess, fold it. So I guess this pile doesn't look too appealing to steal. Maybe if it was an intact full bike, but this just looks like a broken bike, so I think we'll be solid. I brought a gun lock just because. So quick little pistol lock, and she's secured to this pole. All right, we just got back from the workout. I wanted to show you guys this thing collapses even more. So it folds in half that way, but then the handlebars you can drop down as well. Pulling this tab and just letting it sag. So it's a pretty compact size. You could probably fit it in like a tiny little car or something. Pop it open, ride the beach. Don't have to pay for scooters. I think it's a pretty solid investment if you're not super hardcore with the riding and you just want something to putt around in. And it also has like a VIN number, it looks like, so if it gets yanked, at least there'll be some kind of way to track it. 3-piece cranks, that used to be the thing back when you rode BMX bikes. You wanted some 3-piece cranks, and even like the little details like these little looms to keep your wires nice and tidy. Oh, fucking pop the tire. That makes sense. Wow, popped it good. That was quick. Well, that was short-lived.
Need to be aired up.
I don't know, I just literally went flat out of nowhere. Maybe it was a curb I plowed.
It's a big hole because it's don't open. Big hole.
Looks like I'm getting an Uber. Appreciate you trying. Alrighty guys, so that's the temporary review on the Polarna M3 e-bike. Like I said, 1,100 bucks online. You can go ahead and grab these things. You got a headlight, tail light, turn signals, disc brakes, 45 watts of power, gets you up to about 35 miles an hour. Highly recommend not smashing into curbs, or you most likely will be stranded like me right now. We'll get it all fixed up, and then let me know if you guys want me to do some more videos on some e-bikes. I'll see if I can grab some more in the future. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, keep it dank. Later! I crashed. Dang, that thing fits in the trunk. Well, here I am, breaking e-bikes, trying to save gas, spending more money.